Okay, the reason I think I like, um, altoids and survival kits, which, by the way, I have another one to use. It's the Altoids Arctic one. I think I like them because they have a sensibility of, post-apocalypse, right? You're gonna need a little kit just to get you by and to make sure Now, the dimensions of this are pretty big, actually, pretty deep anyway. And from this, as you see, this little thing right here, and I was doing this, the mints were not coming out, so it's an airtight seal. So I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to do a post apocalypse type outdoor tank kit with these two, like two of these, which I have another one too, and a regular one. Just what would I want? I'm thinking, what would I want in this? Oh, and by the way, for people who watch my Vehicle Life channel video, I I wasn't in the mood to make a video. Sorry. Um, I had Friday and Monday. Mm, you know, so that's why. Also, one thing I find that's stupid is it says 10 made in China. Like, right? Like, on this side, it says 10 made in China. I don't care though, because it seems like a nice, decent 10. Decent quality 10. Yes, you can squeeze this a little bit, but it's not gonna. Hasn't ruined the thing. Now, as you see, that thing right there, it holds on tight, which is nice because you can have a kit in here and all that. Now, I know I'm going to put a few of the Grim Workshop things, little like mini tools and dog tags into them because that has different gear. Now I don't know. Now a lot of my stuff is in my uh box. I have you know I put pretty much all my things. Now I would think, okay, if it's post-apocalypse, I want to do an all post-apocalypse type scenario. Of okay, is it okay to fish? Is it okay to be able to hunting? Is it okay to do water purification? Having this or that in it. You Now, my favorite tens. Now, I could easily go on Amazon right now and get a crap ton of the Outdoor 10 style ones for like $20, I think. I think it's $20. I gotta look it up because, I have Amazon on this phone and I can't just stop the video. If I pause it and then that will end the video. For reasons, really. But yeah, these are my favorite type of tens, these outdoor tens, because to me, I get, okay. Yeah. So I'm like, okay. Outdoors 10. This many inches by this many inches. With this much of a depth. What can I put into it? Like, that's what I do. Like, sometimes when I'm just sitting doing nothing, that's what I do. Yeah. These will, of course, be the side ones. I'm gonna do like at least 2 or 3 of these. 3 of these, like, you know what? 3 or 4 of these, which I'm gonna go up to Dollar General anyway, so I'm gonna get some of these and try to find an Outdoors 10 kit. Outdoors 10. I'm gonna have 2 of those and like 3 of these. That's like, what? 4 of these and 2 of the bigger ones. Cause, that'll give me a better sense of, okay, all scenario thing, right? Now, one thing I'll probably put in here, if I actually have it, is, do I have the sewing kit dog tag? I gotta see if I do. Uh, yeah. Anyway, as you see, I'm trying my best, and it's not moving. That's cool. Yeah. Now, I know I'm gonna put at least a water bag in there, just because. I can probably put it in here. You know, I can put it. Okay. Mmm. Y'all see. Y'all will see. Mmm. I have my little side kit ideas for these. So yeah. Now I could like I and yeah, I like the Outdoor Transformer kits. One, here's the thing. They are last ditch kits. That they're meant to be that. For one. Now, something like this, the first aid survival kit, which by the way I took out the ice pack because it was in between two things. I was like, oh god, this is gonna get squeezed and activated like that. This is the Life Gear First Aid and Survival Kit. If you're a suburbanite, this is good. You know? Because you're not gonna be going anywhere. You know, like you're probably not gonna go out to the woods, because one, you don't have a knife in that. But yeah. But that's a way different video. So yeah. I'm gonna get to planning. I'm gonna write down, okay, this one could be for this one, this could be for this one, this could be for this could be for this, etc., etc., etc. Anyway, um, there should be a video on Friday for the vehicle life thing. I did put the port on, and I've changed the filter, little air filter or whatever. I actually threw away the box. Yeah, I was like, well, I might as well do this, so since I'm doing this, might as well do that. I'm like, Plus, I have triple A towing, so I'm good either way. Anyway, peace.